So today we just got done installing a Mitsubishi 3.5 ton hyperheat. We got 4 zones connected to the branch box. Branch box is right inside here. I need to run everything underneath the house. Let me go ahead and take you upstairs. There's the line set track for the 24K head unit we put in the living room. Nice and neat. Here's a track for the 9K we put in kids' room. Let me take you inside. We had to run this track through 2 decks, the lower deck and the upper deck. Up to the bedroom upstairs. Here's the 24K wall mount in the front room. It's going to, and already has, cooled all of this space. There's a 9K in their son's room. It's a nice sized little kid's room. Here's the 9K in their daughter's room. It's a nice sized little room too. These things are cooling very quickly. And we also put the 9K upstairs in their bedroom. It's even cool upstairs. It's pretty warm outside. I'd say it's about 75 right now. And I'll show you what I had to do with the track coming out of this bedroom into the garage. So I ran it exposed up there. Ran along that platform and came down inside some track and dove underneath the house. Alright, that's all we got for today. We'll wrap it up. See you next time.